All right, moderators, we should be live on everything right now.
YouTube's up.
Thank you. Now I have furniture coming in today, so moderators, if I have to run out the door, you'll know why. Just take over. I might not be able to sign off like I normally can. I have no idea what time they're rolling in. Thank you. All right, FOMC day. Woo! It's gonna be a doozy of a day. Now listen, if I can get all of my stuff done and I'm not like buried in building something, I will try to come in for the meeting at the 2:30 probably. I don't know if I'll be able to make the 2, but I will try. If I can, I will try to come in here so we can all trade through that FOMC meeting together, all right?
Fan of the people.
Sounds like a plan.
Would be awesome.
Yeah, it'll be good stuff. So everybody just be cool. Remember, if you're a newer trader or you're not sure how to trade, honestly, I would just stay out of the market from like noon through the rest of the day, right? It's going to be a crazy volatile day. I don't want anybody blowing up their accounts. I don't want anybody, doing anything silly. I will, of course, set up some lottos like I normally do on that day. What do I mean by that? Very small positions with potential massive gains, but also knowing that I could just completely lose those positions, right? So, again, I don't recommend it for people that don't understand. When in doubt, you can, do a straddle or a strangle if you're more biased on one side or the other. But I don't want you guys trying to load the boat today, trying to swing for the fences and I hope and I pray that this is gonna none of that, right? So try not to do any of that. Everybody be on your best behavior when the time comes for that because we've seen the market, right? Super pop and then drop and then back up and then new lows and new highs and let's just try to avoid some of that, all right? If you're an experienced trader, you already know what to do. So since we talk about stops all the time, it's pretty important that we talk about it for today. Just so you guys know, stops doesn't mean you're going to it's not going to sell at the spot you put your stop when you have a day like this. It can blow right through your stop and until it finds, right, the next buyer or seller or whatever it is that you're in, you might not get filled at that spot. So even if I have a stop, and I think you guys saw it on my last FOMC meeting, like it blew through that thing, and I still ended up like losing 2 or 3 grand because by the time that it actually sold, it was way beyond the spot where I had my stop, right? So don't expect today, during that craziness, your stops to function like they normally would. They can break, they cannot fill. You can be sitting there in a panic state, like what's going on, right? So everybody be cool. Don't put all the weight into those stops today. Are we all on the same page?
Yeah.
Okay, good. They're dangerous today.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really dangerous. You might say, yeah, but they're shares and I always get filled when I put a stop for my shares. No, not today, not during this. Now, if you're on like Interactive Brokers or Lightspeed, you have a much higher probability of your stops being accurate versus, a Webull, these third parties. But still, Robinhood would be the worst. Oh my gosh. Don't even get silly with Robinhood. It already has a hard time trying to make fills like first thing in the morning. It just the market open. Have any of you guys noticed that if you've tried to trade, especially options in the morning with Robinhood when the market opens? Have you guys ever tried to buy or sell anything right when the market opens?
I have not because I don't trust them.
Anybody in here besides me?
Yeah, coach, I have. Coach, it cost me $49,000.
Oh, well, there you go. Don't cost yourselves $49,000. Yeah, it's a nightmare. It never works, right? At the open, because it's so clogged up. The site doesn't work, the apps are broke, like it just sits there. I don't know what to do. It won't refresh. Am I right?
Yes, and I had an agent on the other line. They couldn't even close the trade.
Were they able to at least refund any of it?
Nope. The
Oh,
manager, some guy contacted me saying I should have read the policies or
disclaimer.
whatever.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
during volatile times. Oh my gosh.
Hey,
Mhm.
Coach, do you have any problems when if you buy an option on Robinhood, just like a leap, uh,
No. Well, let
problems
me
with
let
those?
me rephrase that. I don't have a problem buying the leaps, but if you're trying to sell that leaps in the morning at open, good luck.
Oh, okay, okay, I
Yeah,
got
it's a nightmare. The problem is right at the open because it gets so volatile and everybody's pounding the website, it crashes their system, literally crashes. So it could be, shoot, I've had it before where I couldn't sell one for like 6 minutes at the open. And in 6 minutes, that's,
you.
hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? Well,
Yeah.
here, I'll give you a perfect example. I was in AMC when it was right going through AMC's super huge pop. I wound up making like, I don't know, $100,000 or something that day. But I was not able to do anything through Robinhood. And I had tons of crap in there. It was just, it was dead to me, right? So it's not
So,
good.
so typically when you buy leaps,
Hmm.
you don't buy them on your Webull platform or anything, right?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
Okay.
oh yeah.
Okay. So I
Yeah.
separated mine and I didn't want to do it in my margin, so I separated a cash account to hold those.
Oh, I
So I don't.
gotcha. Yeah, yeah. Well, yeah, I mean, you could do them both with Weevil, right? Just have one in the cash account, one in the margin account, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yep.
I you do those on Robinhood though. I don't really mess with them on, but
Yeah,
I
I
did.
gotcha. I gotcha. I use Robinhood for some little things. Like I created one account just for one of our high yield dividend stocks that we talk about. Like I created a separate account just for that, so it would stay separate from everything else. You know what I mean? Like I do that. I like to spread them around. I've got stuff in SoFi. I've got stuff in Robinhood, TD. I've got stuff in Webull. You know what I mean? Like,
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay.
Webull
Thank
is just the one that I'm using in front of all of you to do what we're doing, right? But I've got a lot of stuff everywhere.
you. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yep, absolutely. And the reason we chose Webull, right, is obviously the charts look good. The mechanics are pretty sound. There's not a ton of fees associated with everything, right? For the most part, everything is pretty cut and clear. Like, we're able to get in and out of trades. It's actually decent for day trading. It's no light speed or interactive brokers, but you can still, I mean, you guys see me every day, right? We're in, out, in, out. So, but that's why we chose it. Now, I've used TD a lot longer. That was my original brokerage, right, for decades. But that would have been really hard to train everybody on. It just would. This is so much easier for the masses, right? So that was kind of the inception of why I was using Webull, by the way. Just so you guys all know, right? Everything we do here is for a reason, right? I just knew that for the majority of people, this would be the easiest and best platform to use. Uh, yeah, Weeble's got some amazing charts. I think TD's charts are better, to be honest with you, but Weeble is very close. Very, very close. Close enough for government work for sure. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
those are the two best.
Yeah,
And,
absolutely.
and actually, Weeble is a little bit easier to
It
adjust
is.
to if you have a little experience. I like
Correct.
Weeble a lot.
Yep, me too. Yep. And I've used tons of brokerage systems, right? And I think Weeble's top as far as streamline getting in. Listen, for big trades and like super quick in and out, Lightspeed cannot be beat. But also Lightspeed looks like it was built in the 90s off of, some old DOS, barely GUI graphics interface. It looks like, Right? It looks like it's from 2002. You know what I mean? But it is designed to get in and get out, get in and get out. You know, if
Did you
you're,
say DOS?
yes, it looks so bad. It's horrible looking, right?
Wow.
But
Like
if
the
you,
black screen and white writing.
oh yeah, it's horrible. Oh my gosh, it looks so bad. But you know, if you want to move 60,000 shares in a half a second, that's your ticket because it's like click
There
the
you
button,
go.
click that button, in, out, in, out,
Who
in,
cares
out,
about the
in, out.
aesthetics,
Yeah,
right?
exactly, exactly. And if you know how to trade, doesn't need to be pretty, right?
Right, right.
So kind of one of them things. All right, so we've got about 15 minutes to the bell. Please make sure, listen, if you guys are watching for free, I got to watch the buzzwords because TikTok's all over everybody. You can't say to do the things to the screen anymore. By the way, I don't know if you guys know that or not. They don't want you to even say that stuff. You can't, there's so many things now they're looking for. You can't say the .com. You're not supposed to point them anywhere. So all sorts of stuff, by the way. So if we're like talking in code all the time, go to our servers. You know what we're talking about, hopefully. If not, I don't know what to tell you because we can't say those words either. It starts with DISCORD. We can't say that word. I don't know if you guys know that or not, right? Okay, great.
You can't say that
Nope, not at all. Nope, not
on
anymore.
anything?
Nope, it's a buzzword. Just
Oh,
TikTok. Just
wow.
TikTok.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah. Everything else is okay. Yeah. Nope.
Wow.
Yep. You can't say to double tap the stuff. You can't say
You
the
can't say double tap the screens.
no,
That's like a
no.
thing.
And you just said it, and now we'll be flagged. Yep.
Oh, shit.
Yep. But seriously, yeah, you can't say any of it now. Nope, none of it. Yeah, they call it like
That's a new law
yes,
or
yeah, for
it came
TikTok.
out.
Yeah, it's a
Oh,
new
okay.
guideline for TikTok. It's in our streamer content creator guideline stuff. Yep.
But how are you
Oh,
supposed to encourage people to
You're
like
not.
your stuff?
You're not. They're just
What?
supposed to do it. Yeah, I just trust me. I know. I know. Trust me.
you have to find like a password for the people, right?
That's why I said we got to
Yeah.
use code now.
Yeah.
So,
Oh man, and I know you. Oh, I'm so sorry.
no, that's
Damn
all
it.
right.
So
Isn't that weird? Just like
That is
swearing.
very weird
Swearing
because
is now
that's
on
just
their
like
guidelines.
it's
code
like you've been
code.
doing it for how many years, and then to just pull the plug on it, you got to know that people are gonna trip on that.
Oh
I
yeah,
mean,
of course. Yeah, the only reason we're digging in so deep is because we're trying to find out why I don't have 50,000 viewers per day watching us. And
I know I get that.
it's
Yep.
all these little things, right? No swearing. Don't say to do the things to the screens. You can't point them at other sites. You're not supposed to talk about stuff. It's like, oh, okay, but you can push ads every third video like it's damn Facebook, right?
Coach,
Crazy.
if you want them to, follow, then you just have to do your usual joke when you say, if you like us, you just hit tippity tappity.
Yeah, exactly. Yep. Right. Do all the things, right? Isn't that what I always try to get around it?
Did he
But
just
you always
mimic your sound
always
effects?
Yeah,
joke,
he
yeah,
did.
with your song, with your voice, like tippity tappity or something. You're always so funny with that.
That's awesome. Oh my
I
gosh.
don't know, I don't know,
I
I
love,
don't
yeah, yeah.
know.
Do, 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 do. I love those. You guys are awesome. You
Yeah,
guys,
it's exactly this one.
yeah, you guys are great. Appreciate everybody being here. Listen, it is now, we got about 13 and a half minutes to rock and roll. If you guys want to join us at any time, go to americandreamtrading.com. See how I can't say it? Appreciate it. Head on over there. Today is FOMC. What I was trying to say earlier is I would, if it were me and I wanted to get the behind the scenes and how to actually trade through an FOMC, which this will be the largest FOMC we've had in a long time, I would head on over to the thing that I just said, watching all the buzzwords, and join the community for free because you can be in here going through it. And I don't know if you guys know or not, but you can join our premium, which is stocks and options, crypto, or futures, the membership for free right now. You guys can get a week for free. After that, they'll renew at the regular rates. Stocks and options is 125 a month. Crypto is 50 a month. And futures is 250 a month, but you guys will also get the trading view indicator. So that's why that one's a little bit more. But check it out. We're going to be crushing the market sold today. Again, if I have to run out the door early, I apologize. I have no idea what time all the movers and stuff. The only reason I got to be available is because it's a big truck and we got to bring it all in. I got to move all this stuff out of the way. Like it's going to be a good time today. I just have to tell myself, woosah, woosah. I got to build all this stuff. It's a lot of things are going to be happening. But hopefully by tomorrow, I'll have the new desk, the new office will be set up, all the electronic equipment will be in here, like it'll be all the boom arm, you know, the mics, all the stuff. So hopefully by tomorrow, it should be a heck of a lot more professional in this room that I'm using. So appreciate you guys. So while we're under construction, I appreciate everybody just being patient. Like right now notice I'm using AirPods, so you're not getting an echo in the room. Right? It might not be so bad once I'm using my boom mic because that thing, that Shure microphone is built for podcasts. So you got to pretty much eat the mic. If you ever wonder why I'm always right in that mic, because you have to eat the mic, which also keeps all the exterior sounds from bleeding in so much on that microphone, by the way. Okay. 12 minutes to the bell, 11 minutes to the bell now. Everybody be cool. Make sure you follow all the rules. Don't lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value. If you're a new trader, make sure you are paper trading and simulate trading only. Do not use real money while you're in training. Also, if you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. It's the most volatile time. Make sure you guys have your stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, futures, or crypto. Just remember those stops are in place, but they can break through your stops. Please, I want to start. Yes, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Join the community, and you can also sign up for, like I said, one of those for a free week trial. Make sure you guys are, again, paper trading, journal every single day. Go in with small position sizes, allowing the runners to run and stop out those losers. Okay. I don't want anybody blowing up your accounts. That's not what we're here for. We want to help you protect your assets while growing and building your portfolio. If you guys are just all willy-nilly blowing up your stuff, how are you going to get ahead? I need you guys to be focused and diligent in here. Come in with an empty cup, ready to listen, learn, and apply what we train you on. Okay? We have different memberships for every different walk of life, whatever you want to start with. I can tell you right now, if it was me with 33 years of experience, if somebody had this available, I would sign up for the VIP. If you cannot, I understand, but I'm telling you, I would hit the ground running and not waste any time. If you're a VIP member, you get to work with us for 12 hours a day. That is 4 a.m. to 4 p.m., right? There are so many things, so many advantages to being able to do that. Now listen, if you're a premium member, you guys will still get access to the live Zoom right now. We have almost 300 people in here, and that will continue to grow to up to the bell. But I'm telling you, you can at least work with us from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every day. You'll get those hot stock picks, the pre-market setup where we give you those key critical areas you'll use at the bell and throughout the day. You guys will also get the IPO Center and the training videos. We've got 11 training videos to get you started. Bruno, it says the free 7-day premium membership is out of stock. Can you make that unlimited? Clow83, we'll get that fixed for you in just a moment. Thank you for letting me know. Yes, thank you. We'll get that fixed right away. Premium is free for a week. After that, it's $125 a month. Bruno, let me know when that's all set, please. Thank you. All right. If you guys, though, need any assistance, remember, we will never send you a direct request, never a direct message. We'll never friend request you, I should say. We'll never do any of that. We're not going to say, how's your trading going? None of that. Okay. The only way you'll be able to reach us is go into our help desk. So over on our server where it says American Dream Trading, underneath that, it says help desk support. Click on that button, click the envelope. I've got 20 moderators standing by to assist you. Also, while you're over there, we've got all the education material that you guys can get started with, right? The terminology, the candlestick patterns, how-to videos, free ebooks, right? Got tons of free ebooks over there. I think only 2 of the ebooks that are over there cost anything, but if you have like an Amazon membership, I think you can borrow the books for free. So make sure you check that out. But that'll get you started, how to set up Webull. If you guys are interested in getting free shares or a discount on any program that we use, Webull, TradingView, there's 2 trading views if you want to document, right? Journal each thing. That's the other TradingView, VUE. If you guys want discounts on anything, make sure you go over to Coach's affiliates, okay? If you go to the membership info promos, you'll see the detailed list of everything we have. Right now, if you get a year of VIP, we will give you a year of VIP gold for free. That's a $2,500 value. Make sure you check that out.
Coach, real quick, you
Yep.
didn't change any prices, correct?
Nope. I haven't changed anything.
Fantastic. All right. I gotta report this issue.
All right, thank you. So are we having an issue with the premium?
Yeah, I don't want to say it live on the air,
Just
but
send me a message, it's fine.
yep.
So for now, it's not working is what I'm saying.
No, it will work here momentarily, but
Okay.
something changed that I
Okay.
don't like.
All right, no problem. Just send me a message if I need to know. If not, fix it and we'll move on. All right, thank you. Appreciate you. With the VIP membership, you're going to get all of the things I just stated. Also, you're going to get the workshop classes. We put those on once a month. You're going to get the advanced VIP training videos and the TradingView indicators. So if you want to use our TradingView indicators that we have specifically designed and developed using the 2-minute EWO, which is what I've implemented here or just trading in the market for the last 33 years, you'll have access to it. If you want to get the VIP Gold add-on, if you're a VIP member, you're going to get weekend training. You're also going to get the live Apple chat where you'll get to work with David over there in that live Apple chat. You're going to get all the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support, the breakout rooms every Tuesday and Thursday, VIP Gold Lounge, and the Gold newsletter, which is amazing. Mark does a phenomenal job with that Gold newsletter. It's the best in the business, I would say. And everything's going to be recorded for you. So all the Zoom sessions, everything is recorded if you're not available. So again, if it was me and I was starting out, I would look at VIP, I would add the gold, and then go from there. Obviously, if you want futures, just start right in the futures. If you're just into crypto, go right into crypto. If you want to train and work with me, though, it's premium VIP, right, or above. If you want to work with Mark over in futures, head over there. If you want to work with Chris and Bucko and everybody else that's in crypto, head over there, right? So we've got something for everybody over here. If when we had it running, you were a diamond member, you got access to everything. We still will allow you to buy the diamond, which gives you access to everything for a low monthly rate and or an annual rate. So if you want access to everything we have, all of it, get the diamond membership. We were selling diamond lifetime memberships. I sold them for a long time, a couple months. I originally started out, I was going to do like 50 of them. Then I said, okay, we'll do 100. And then people could ask, and okay, I'll do 2. It ended up being over 300 people got that. Who in here is a Diamond Lifetime member?
I am.
I am.
Thank you.
I
am.
Thank you.
I am.
Aye, coach.
Thank you. So they got a little out of hand. Bruno was kicking my butt every day. And I'm like, yeah, but people are asking. People are asking. They're still coming. He's like, just shut it down. I'm like, they're still asking. They're still asking. We're watching the monthly recurring revenue and annual recurring revenue go right. And I was like, but it's such an awesome program. People love it. Oh, that's great. Like I said, that was a phenomenal, amazing deal. So congratulations to anybody that got it. We got about 3 minutes to the bell. Real quick, speaking of all those amazing people, I want to thank all my moderators. Let me pull that up. Give me just 1 second. Thank you to Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, Mountain Man, and Juan, our full-time video editor. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you. We honor and respect you so much every day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. There it is, a real one. Thank you. Appreciate you. That was the real one in there.
Hell yeah. Let's roll, y'all.
Thank you.
I'm
Appreciate
the
it.
real one.
Thank you. I'm the real one. Thank you. All right.
I was the first one.
There you go. 2 minutes to the bell. Remember, if you have any call outs, make sure they're clear and concise. Now, the first 30 minutes, if this is your first time watching us, the first 30 minutes is very volatile. You will hear a lot of call outs. If you're new to trading, that's not for you. All right. So please don't be in there trading if you're not used to it. We are not a call out group, but in the first 30 minutes, we always do call out different runners and hot stock picks and 2-minute EWOs. And that's because everybody that's in here is trained or in training. Okay. So the first 30 minutes, we will always do that. And that's why it's so active and so busy. So if you end up opening your mic, get in, say what you need to, make sure it's clear and concise, get out. Mute the mic. Don't hang out, right? Because I'm going to be bouncing around, calling out a lot of different things. We need people to try not to step over each other on the microphone. I know sometimes it's hard. We do our best that we can. But remember, get in, say what you need to say, get out. After that, when we get to 10 o'clock, that's where we can get into more of the slower mode, more of the training, more of the Q&A, more of the, hey, coach, can you check this out? Hey, what do you think of this? Right? But the first 30 minutes, extremely, extremely volatile. Thank you again, everybody, for being here. Make sure if you guys want to show the love, you do this right here all day long on that phone. You know what to do. See it? Yep, do that a million times. Yep, right there. Yep, a million times. Go ahead. Come on. Choppy chop, like this, okay? You want to do that the whole time. Yep, tippity, do the things. Do all the things. If you guys are watching us over on the YouTubes, Discord, Craigslist, Facebook, MySpace, Kick, Tumble, Rumble, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Smoke Signal, Morse Code, make sure you guys are subscribed. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Premium is back up.
Oh, is it okay? Premium is back up, everybody. Premium is back up. Thank you. Appreciate it, Bruno. All right, here we go, everybody. Let's rock and roll. Market's going to open in 2, 1, go. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, thanks.
That was awesome.
Thank you. Looking for a move right here. See if we can get the, see if we're going to get a pop. Yeah, look at Apple rip into the moon, right? Apple just going for it, am I right? Right out of the gate.
Wow.
Right? I'm gonna take that. I have no idea what it was. I'll put it up here for you guys.
Watch for any retracement, like the candle close, maybe.
Yeah, Apple just to the moon. SPY taking off here at the open. SPY now green.
Double top,
What's double top?
SPY, double top from aftermarket market.
$660.74. Let me look. See what else we got. Yeah, 660.74 is up there. Okay, good call. And then I got 660.82. Okay, so we're watching some of those areas. Apple in a 2-minute EWO right out of the gate to the upside. 6-star trade just to start out. Nicey nice. All right. Yeah, it looks like that first move I made 167 bucks off that first move. SPY is 30 cents away from previous day close. Let's see if it can find support right here. Looks like it's trying. Little dabble do ya? Nice, nice. If you guys see any 2-minute EWOs, let me know. Or if you see any hot stock picks, let me know. Try to catch the EWO on the first EWO, by the way.
IWM's on the second.
Thank you. IWM's on the second 2-minute EWO to the upside. Thank you. Looking to see here if we're going to get a pop or not off this spot. Just being patient here. I mean, this keeps showing support at the 660.30. Everybody see that? It's done it a couple times. See if that can stay up there or not. Got stopped out, sitting right on that 9. Too tight of a stop on mine. $660.60. Yeah, looking for a bounce here. I just had too tight of a stop. Get this again, gonna give this a little bit more room this time. Try this one more time off this 9. So far, right, so right now this is getting near support, right? So we got 20 cents away from support. Just work a little bit more because I want this to see if it's going to bounce off support. It's got about 12 cents for close of day yesterday. So this is the fight between red and green here. There we go. Get that bounce and run. That's what I was looking for. Looking for a bigger move here so that I can protect the trade a little more. Looks good. We're back up here. Want to see this get back up to that 660.60 area again. Nice pop. Need to let this work. It's still trying to figure it out. I wanted to protect the trade, but it's just not enough pop yet. It's still trying. Letting this work. Apple still to the upside. Apple stalling out at that 240. All right, here comes SPY again, trying to, it just touched VWAP. Right here, has to hold. This is support down there, right? I don't know why my phone keeps doing that. Sorry about that. It keeps making that noise. It's driving me bonkers. Right here on VWAP. Has to hold. It's trying. This is right here. Has to be support. Otherwise, you're going to get a bleed out. Anybody see anything running while I'm in this trade? Well, I just
SPRC.
SPRC spruce.
I typed it in Zoom chat too.
Yep, thank you.
NVIDIA to the downside.
All right, NVIDIA to the downside, okay. We couldn't hear you, partner. Try again. 2 minutes to the downside. We still can't hear you. Yeah, SPRC, good call on that, Palm, making a nice move. Still, this is just fighting this area. Watching NASDAQ here. NASDAQ also no bounce. I was looking to see if it had a bounce. Nothing is bouncing. Yeah, SPRC, nice Palm. Still rocking.
With the crap out of it.
Yes, that's beautiful, man. Good job.
Amazon strong to the downside.
All right, thank you. Yeah, NASDAQ, all candles red. Tried to get this small bounce, but wasn't there.
Google went down and it's coming back up now, it seems.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, the Qs are also crashing out. You see that on the Qs? NASDAQ just kind of hovering right here. There we go. There's a nice bleed out. SPY's also bleed. Oh, SPY just collapsed. See it?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yes. Looking to see if NASDAQ's going to follow that. Qs, same thing. Qs all to the downside so far. SPY getting a little bit of a pump here. Yeah, it's so far just down, 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 getting pushed. We'll see if SPY is on support. Can it hold in the green and get some volume, or is this going to collapse, right? A lot of nervous traders out there today with FOMC. They're all like, you want to see something real scary? SPY again. See how it's sitting right at support? So it's going to bounce around this level, right? NASDAQ continuing to crash. SPY is now red. Oh, SPY's blinking out.
SPRC doing its thing.
Let's take a look at that.
Just broke $6.
Yes. Are you crushing its soul over there, Palm, or what?
And it's since $4.17.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Yep, Google coming up.
Thank you. Google, by the way, did you guys see they hit $3 trillion company now when it hit 250? SPY still down
Yes,
here
I
in,
read that the other day.
yep. SPY still down here in the red zone. Flushing out again. There goes SPY. So SPY has gone from green to red. Looking for that break of 659.76. So 75. So looking for the break and hold below 659.75. Everybody see it? That's what we're looking for. It's just flushing out. There it is. It's now sitting on 659.75. See if it's got more. Nasdaq's doing the exact same thing, bouncing around the exact same spot.
Bye, Ty.
What's that?
See you, Jackson.
I don't know if that's an open microphone or he's just saying something. Let's take a look at that SPRC. Oh yeah, that's still making nice moves. Good job over there, Palm. Look at
SPY just hit the 200.
Yep, I see it. SPY just flushing out. Just glorious, right? SPY's down here on the 200. We're looking for that break now of that 659.60. Nice, nice. Nasdaq still crashing out. I'm going to take 2 off. Still in 2 on this trade.
I flipped for the bounce off the 200.
Nice job. Taking 1 more off, holding 1. Goes back down, I'll add. Adding. Don't like that candle. Taking it back off. Finishing it. Trade's over. Only ended up making 800 on the trade. Could have made 14 or 15 down here, but looking to see if it had more. So I just took the guaranteed money. So as soon as I saw SPY bouncing off that 200, I knew I better be paying attention, right? Nice job. Get that money. I think you're new with us, aren't you? Just made $1,584 today. Nice job. Oh, this is another short spot right here off this 21. I'm gonna wait and see. This holds here, I'll short this here. Because remember, this is now that same spot, right? Where it was once support, it's now resistance at 660. Just being patient here. No, kept going. Glad I didn't short right there because it would have popped, stopped me out right away. So we had pop at the open, then drop, and now here we come, right? So we had 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, trying to make 12 o'clock again, just like a clock, around the clock. High, low, high. Take a look at Apple. Apple's 2-minute EWO still to the upside. So obviously it's flat and consolidating, but it is to the upside. Watching right here. See if we're going to get a pullback. 660.30 I had was a major level over there. Still seeing if this is going to pull back or not. SPY's trying to go from now red to green. It's working on it. We're up to VWAP here for me now over on my stock, on my futures I'm trading. It's going to hold above VWAP here or not. If it is, I'll go long it. SPY coming up on a double top. 660, 60s where it hit before on a big old spot, right? Be careful. Excuse me.
Bless you.
Thank you. I want to short this here too, but I want to wait just a little bit. Notice I have shorting on the brain today. Like, I want to short this, and I want to short that, and I'm going to short those. And be careful when you start doing that. It's just I see SPY up on this double top. This is hitting VWAP and not breaking. There it goes. SPY pushing up here to try to get the double top, 660.60 again. 660 is natural double top for it. I don't think my stop's high enough. Oh, stop me out. Double top SPY right here. Remember, so if you're going to make that trade, make sure you have a tight stop up there, right, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, it's at 2 o'clock, but then he'll do all the press conference stuff at 2:30. It's awful quiet is in here. Why is it so quiet in the room?
Laser focus, coach.
Oh,
We're listening to your voice.
okay. All right. Appreciate
We're here, coach, we're here.
Okay.
Everybody's concentrated.
I got you. I got you.
Come on,
Everybody
turn it off,
listening,
Jack.
everybody
You're not gonna
listening
have
to
it.
you.
Or constituting.
Right.
My ears don't work when my mouth is open.
I got you. Here comes that double top pullback. Let's see how long it's going to be. Everybody see it on SPY?
Yeah, I'm in it, coach.
Thank you. Oh, there it is. Hell
Wow.
yes. Yes. I'll take it.
I took that.
Yeah, me too. As soon as it did it, because I already know it's gonna try to
Got
it's
it.
gonna try to half bounce, right?
Yep. I couldn't
Wow.
flip it back quick.
Wow. Yeah, I can rebuy again if I need it.
That was
That
nice.
was freaking beautiful. Everybody was on pins and needles when I said it, and they're like, "Do I? Do I?"
I was hanging my fingers over the mouse. I'm like, oh, and then wham! It's like, ah.
That's why we were
Woo!
so quiet.
Yes.
Yep, nailed that. Thank you.
Yes. Nice job. I know everybody's like, "Is it going to? Is it?" And then bam!
Love it.
Oh, that's beautiful, man.
Slicing and dicing this morning.
Yeah, that was great. That was textbook, everybody, right?
Ooh.
I missed it by 2 seconds.
Oh no. Yeah, and I
Maybe
knew to
both.
take it as soon as it stalled. Right there. We talk about that a lot, don't we, Palm? When it stalled out, I'm like, nope, taking it.
Yep.
Yep, I'm not. I mean, think about it. I'm in future, so I don't get gamma, right? But still, I'm so used to that. Like, I know when it stops or stalls, it's going to try to bounce. It's going to try to rebound and get some back.
Sometimes
Now,
it just works out.
yeah, for sure. Now, if it would have pulled and then the second candle pulled a little bit more, it would have then dropped again. Like right here. Wow, still heavy. Okay. There it goes. I'll take it again. Boom, another 250. This is out of,
Taking candy from a baby.
it really is like, thank you for playing, thank you again, thank you. That's awesome. Still heavy. Now we're below VWAP. So now we're below VWAP. Watch, you're gonna have should have nice big pull here again. Watch for it here. Of you. Right here, it's in this space. I want to see it break below that 650, what is it, 659.90. So really it's 660. So Apple did the same thing, just flushed right out. Man, this is in a beautiful spot here.
Now that we have these 2 points up and pull the parallels to that last point down,
Mm-hmm.
we might have just this massive channel.
Yeah, it's a huge gap here.
Yep. It did this the other day too.
Mm-hmm. There we go. I'll take it. Another 200. Watching for that break. I've got it 659.90. I mean, it's just teetering on this spot. Come on, baby, break. You're below VWAP. You've got no momentum. People are scared. FOMC. You want to go nunites. Let me help you.
Take it off the shelf.
Yeah, let me put my foot right on your forehead while you're in the quicksand and help you out. little tappy tap, little push on the forehead. Get down there.
Shift change 1 minute.
Shift. Oh, good call. Shift change. Palm. 45 seconds, brother. Oh, it's teetering on at 660 right there. There it goes. That's nice. That's nice, right? Everybody getting paid on that? Look at that. Yes. Right down to that 659.75 I've got marked. Oh, there's a red card.
If that holds, that's the ascending channel, the ascending support.
Did I just sound like the oldest person ever? I said a red cardinal just popped up right next to me and was staring at me. That was beautiful. Like the old man out here bird watching Palm.
It's an angel.
It was beautiful. He looked right at me and said, American Dream Trading's going to make a lot of money today. So
I think SPY's approaching a double bottom there.
yeah, I've got 659.75 to the 200. Just waiting for the next setup. Just have to be patient, right, everybody? Wait for your setup, your move. Now remember, if you guys go to americandreamtrading.com, you guys can get in that 1 week for free premium, which is stocks and options, crypto, or futures, and then they'll renew at their regular rate. Get over there. It's absolutely free for a week. Yep, do all the things. There it goes. There it is. SPY on the 200 now. Double bottom 650. It's at the double bottom right now, 64. That's a double bottom right there on SPY, everybody. You see it? Be careful. Just be looking for a bounce. Just have a very tight stop. I'm actually going to put a manual stop now on mine. Stopped out. I think my was too tight. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it's breaking through. Hammer that to the other side. Break on through to the other side. There it goes. Nice. Oh, I'm being greedy. Has it got anything left? SPY down there. 659.38 is my next level. It's treating that as a double bounce. It's treating that as the bounce. I'm out. So that was a fake breakthrough candle. Did you see it?
Only because of you, coach. 14% on that little jump.
Nice job. Good job. All right, I don't want to get chopped up into this little spot. This showed buyers come in. This should be a buyer's bounce. Nice candle there. Stalling at the 9. Taking it. SPY heavy again. There it goes.
Can you hear Eric going, go, 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 go?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Eric's moto's been gone forever. He went on vacation and like never came back.
Yeah, but you
The
made it
Apple
happen,
chat for a couple
coach.
days.
Such wonderful training. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
That's the American dream, isn't it, Coach?
It is.
Lifelong vacation.
Absolutely. But if he's not a moderator anymore, it means I'm going to have a spot open for it. Ding, ding, ding. So somebody better be ready to fill that seat.
Have I got a deal for you?
Yeah, my God, it's a deal for you. Apple bouncing all over the place. How we doing over there, Apple? You guys had a couple of weird minutes over there, didn't you?
Contracts are getting chopped, but 2 trades so far. One to the upside at the open, and then just back in a few minutes ago because we're back over VWAP.
I got you. Yeah, that's pretty rough territory for it over there.
I've
Good
been
job,
telling everybody,
though.
don't even touch it. Don't even touch it. If you're not good on your mechanics and your
Yep.
mental discipline, shouldn't be touching it.
Yep. Yeah, because it's definitely not like a one way or the other beautiful run right to the moon.
Yeah.
Good
When
job.
if you run the numbers, typically Apple doesn't run in one direction very long.
Mm-hmm.
And so that's one of the things that I've looked up in the past. And more than likely, you could get a run, but it's not going to happen more times than not. Most of the time,
Right.
it's going to.
Right. Good job. You guys are in safe hands over there with David in the VIP gold and diamond area for the live Apple chat. There goes SPY breaking through that 659.38. One of my members just reported, sent me a screenshot. He's up $79,000 right now. How's that sound? How'd that be for you, huh?
I mean, that's better than being on vacation.
Yep, for sure. That is the vacation, right?
Yep.
I agree with Palm. It's better than being on vacation.
Yep, I agree.
Well, how about doing it on vacation?
Yeah, there you go. That's a double win.
That's my plan usually.
Yep.
80K and back to the beach.
That's right.
And thanks again, Palm, for your training on SPY. It helped me also.
Coach has got it this morning, and he's spot on.
Yeah, this spot I'm real sketching though. I mean, it's bouncing off this 659.38, but I want to see this. I need to see another pull. Yeah, because it's bouncing. Still all downside momentum though. I knew that's what the market wanted today, but just a lot of scared people out there today. Come on, baby, pull back through, get below that 659.38 and just bleed right out. It'll take us all the way down to that pre-market low, 659.13. Check yesterday. Oh yeah, then we'll have a nice setup down here. 658.50. It's 57 technically, but apple chop soup. Choppy chop. Qs are still downside.
Coach, can I ask a quick question?
Yeah, go ahead.
On the $1.50 swings like yesterday, earlier in the day, and the $1 swings later in the day, are we sort of keeping that in the back of our mind with SPY right now?
Well, we won't use what was yesterday, but we'll use what's today, right? So use your use exactly what it's showing you today. And you can pull up that ATR and that'll give you that true range and you can see how much the candles are moving, right? In your time frame.
Right.
So if you guys are trading in a 1 minute, 1 minute candles, turn your ATR on and it'll show you what the average is for the candles.
I have learned the hard way here. You think that's low hanging fruit to jump into a call, but you better listen to Coach.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this 659.38, that's the level we had from before. You can see it's kind of dancing on it. Whole market's still heavy. I'm still sitting in the short, even though it's just kind of hanging around here. I just want to see it pull. And the reason that is because the longer it sits here, buyers will go, okay, well, let's see if we can move it to the upside, right? So I want to see it get below this level, and then all the stops are going to start triggering. And then you get a nice bleeder down to 659.13, and then we've got a big gap to the downside if we can break through that. So this is the battleground right here, the 659.38. I'd love to see this snap through. Stop losses bleed out. Large candle. Break us through 13. And then we got a long ways to go. Just remember though, this is support. So we've got to be extra cautious. So if you're not in anything, you want to be waiting, right? The 9's coming down to meet it. I mean, everything looks good, but every time it's slow and it looks good is usually the time that you get your face ripped off. Am I right?
Yeah, like they're just
Yep.
scooping them up in the basket.
Yep. They're just waiting for everybody to load the hell out of those puts.
Yeah.
And then some hedge fund manager will come in and buy 1 million shares of SPY and drive it up for a bit. And then as everybody gets out, then they'll drop it. Now sell. So don't do that, hedge fund managers, if you're listening. If you're watching our show today, just let it go, man. Let it be. Let it die out. You know you want to. It's trying, isn't it? Come on, crash. Yeah, that was it. That was all the steam you had. That was all the buyers in there. That was it, right? Depleted the pool. Now go. Go lights out now. Bye-bye. Get out of here. Go no nights.
That is a nice gap to the downside if it can break.
Oh, that's what I said. If it gets below that 659.13.
Yep.
Woo.
Bye-bye.
Yep. Everybody's anticipating that though. That's why this is so dangerous.
Yeah.
They're gonna play with the emotions a little bit first. Tappy tap.
Yeah, that's low of day yesterday, right?
Yep. Stay down there. I gotta move the stop a bit. I'm a little too squeaky. If that candle pops at all, it'll take me out and then drop. I don't want to see that. I'd rather give up a couple $100 than just get it wicked out right there. I don't like the way that's curling at all. Yep, stop me out. You see what I was talking about right there, everybody? I'm gonna try to buy that up for a little bit, right? Get everybody stopped out and doing silly stuff, and then they're gonna drop the knife. Yep. It did. It came up. It wicked me out.
CDT to the upside and halted.
CDT to the upside. Okay, thank you. There it goes. Isn't that exactly what I said would happen?
Okay, coach, you knew that.
Yep, but isn't that exactly what I said would happen right there?
Yes, sir.
Nailed
That's
it.
why we're listening.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
It just barely wicked me out, but I knew they were going to do that, right? They're going to try to drive it up a little bit, spook everybody out, everybody gets out, and then knife drop. Right here, 659.13. We get a break through that, and it's going to go nights. We're going to have a nice pull here.
You're off by a penny on that bounce again.
What? Yeah, I was. I suck. This guy's trash. He's just
Want
terrible.
refund.
Yeah, I want my money back. It's terrible. Come on, baby. You already tried the up. You're out. Go by. Go on. You already tried that. You're not. That's it. Everybody's staying now. Oh crap, gang. That's my movers are here. I got furniture coming in. I got to fly. Moderators, can you take over?
I got you.
All right, thank you. I didn't know what time they were going to be here. That's why. Thank you. Yep, but I'm coming. I know I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming.